All right, guys, how you doing? George has been in contact in regards to the size data page and what that exactly should look like. It's a little bit more tricky for electronics because you're not really making a piece of storage which may need to hold something. For example, if you're making a pencil holder, you need to know how wide and how long pencils are so that you can make the receptacle, the holder, an adequate shape. Now, with electronics, of course, it's a bit more tricky because a lot of things, well, haven't got many things interacting with that final product apart from, of course, the user. Um, so, what we're doing with size data is we are taking pictures and measuring, doing a little schematic drawing of different components. And so, when we come to design the casing, we know exactly how big the components are, and therefore we can make adequate hole sizes, or maybe make the volume in size an adequate an amount, so that it can house your circuit board easily and any other parts of the electrical components. For example, if you imagine having, and this is Ryan's, I think, if you imagine having this button on the surface of your electrical casing, which would all be very nice and almost flush. However, all of this part of the button that you can see here would be living inside the casing, wouldn't it? So we have to bear that in mind when designing that final casing on Inventor. In regards to how it should be set out, I think half a page. I mean, Ryan's done slightly less than that, but I think this is absolutely adequate. Half a page detailing the actual component, a little drawing that you did in lessons with the different dimensions on it is exactly what you need. Okay, so this for me is an excellent page on size data. I hope that helps everyone. Just clarify what that is. I think the confusion may have come because this is the first time we've done it like this year. Okay, and so yeah, half a page with those little drawings that you should already have. And if you haven't, I think the images may be on the team. I'm not too sure, but I know we did it as a group exercise, and so there is information around. All right, cheers.